Rooms that heat up when they are unoccupied. Radiator valves open fully but closure omitted when leaving the premises. Are difficult to optimize regulation so that it corresponds to the occupation of each room. You know? Yes, it is not always easy to manage your heating. It is necessary either to put up with the general temperature imposed by the thermostat or to adjust each of its radiators manually to try to find the best temperature. The problem is that not controlling temperatures inside the buildings represents a waste of energy and additional drains on the budget that is already skyrocketing. Indeed, heating represents on average 30% of operational expenses of schools, businesses, and other public buildings. Here is where Snugr comes in. Easy to use, Snugr allows you to obtain a precise planning and an appropriate temperature for each room. Snugr learns when it is necessary to start heating in order to reach the right temperature at the right time. With just a few clicks, choose the temperatures of each room, authorize the management to certain users, and simply adjust schedules from your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Thanks to Snugr, synchronize your heating schedules with your reservation tools, observe the evolution of temperatures, and simplify the maintenance of your building. Snugr is compatible with all heating systems and does not require any installation work. Do you wish to gain in comfort by managing all your heating systems in one click and save up to 40% by eliminating unnecessary expenses? Thus, come quickly and discover Snugr at www.snugr.be.